Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Yesterday, I decided to pick up a Pixel 4 XL. I saw that they had dropped the price down to $699. So you saw my unboxing yesterday. I picked mine up from T-Mobile, and well, today Google announced the developer preview of Android R or Android 11. And this is not like a beta, this is the developer preview, which means it is for developers to start getting their stuff ready for the future betas and the future releases. So this is not something you can download over the air. This is something you have to install using ADB and flash it from your computer. You cannot enroll your device in the developer program and just have this auto update and download and everything like that. So this is not intended for the general public or even early adopters. This is for developers only. But me being me, I wanted to check it out. So I went ahead and I installed it. So as you can see, we are on RPP1.200123.016. That is our build number. I was just in here for this, but here is, wrong button. So we are on Android version R, and the security patch level of this is March 5th, 2020. So we are indeed on Android 11. I actually didn't have any issues installing this. I didn't have to unlock the bootloader or anything like that because it's an official, Pixel ROM. So you're not installing a custom ROM or anything like that. So I didn't have to unlock the bootloader, which is good because this is a carrier locked device, so I can't unlock the bootloader. Everything worked first try, everything installed, rebooted, worked just fine. So like I said, this is not intended for a daily use, this is not intended for the public. I have not checked and I have not even looked at what is supposed to be new or coming out in Android 11, so I have no clue. Obviously not all the features and everything are going to be in here just quite yet. I actually really haven't noticed too much new stuff other than this up here in settings. Stands out, the Wi-Fi up here and the Bluetooth right here to connect devices. But feature-wise, I haven't really seen anything else. I know there's some new stuff coming for the motion sense and stuff like that. But so far, it's running very smooth. Everything is opening and closing just fine. No real app issues or compatibility issues I've seen so far. I've been only using it for a few minutes though, so that could change. But my first impressions of it as a beta, it's working just fine. No issues whatsoever. Obviously, I still don't recommend installing it on your device just because it is so new. Anything can go wrong. But so far, so good. I haven't seen anybody else on YouTube with Android 11 on their Pixel yet. So I haven't been able to see if there's any new features that I'm missing, but once those come out and once some new features are released and I know where to find them, I will update you guys on those. But this is Android 11 running on my Pixel 4 XL just a few moments after it has been released. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe for more updates, and as always, have a great day.